Welcome back on this Friday morning. As you head out the door, be mindful that roads are slippery. A lot of us are going to be doing at least some snow clearing in some fashion, whether that's going to be your snow brush or your shovel. Many areas over in the Keweenaw and the far eastern areas of the UP for sure will be using their snow shovel between today extending through this weekend, as we are expecting more lake effect snow. So basically today through tomorrow, at least 3 to 6 inches in the western and eastern half, a few inches in the central counties, the higher elevations of the Keweenaw, and in isolated spots over into portions of Alger and Luce counties, we could exceed 7 to 9 inches, with some amounts being about 10 inches of snow. So we are getting some decent amount of snow in some areas for the next few days. Winter weather advisories remain in effect through tomorrow morning for all of these purple highlighted counties from that lake effect snow that is going to be ongoing throughout the course of the next 24 to 48 hours. Here's the setup. Frontal boundary exiting the eastern areas of the UP. Little wake of energy and trough will move on through behind it, and we'll still have that lake effect continue as that colder air is filtering in behind that cold front. Right now this morning, just a few scattered snow showers in portions of Baraga, western Marquette County, a few more prominent bands of lake effect snow right over portions of Alger County. So if you're traveling along M28 this morning, that's where you will likely find more of that ongoing light to moderate snow. Regardless, though, roads are slippery out there, and a couple of gusts here and there could cause some blowing snow. Along M28 east of Munising, seeing some of that snow, as well as west of it through Rock River and near Chatham. Big impacts will be mainly to travel, as we talked about yesterday. Still a moderate risk for some slippery road conditions, some blowing snow, so visibility could be reduced at times from that blowing snow, as those gusts could potentially exceed 25 miles per hour in some areas. Here's your hour by hour. This is noon today across the west, and we start to see it increase, that lake effect snow activity continuing through the afternoon, becoming a little bit more scattered about. And then as we head towards tomorrow, that wind will change. It shifts, becoming more southwesterly. There's an impulse of light snow that works through from west to east throughout the day as that wind flow remains out of the southwest. And then behind that, we'll have more lake effect snow into Sunday morning along the northwest wind belts, and then it tapers off throughout the afternoon on Sunday. However, this weekend will be a little breezy at times. So for Saturday afternoon, a little breezy, but then more windy conditions form Sunday around midday through the afternoon. Those northwesterly winds will have gusts of around 30 to 35 miles per hour. And that means that whatever snow fell, whatever fluffy snow fell, will start to kind of blow around and cause some limited visibility. This is over along M28, Marquette County, along the roadside park area. You can see that those roads have been covered in some snow. Temperatures today into the upper teens throughout the day across the west end. Some lower to near mid-20s across the east and south. Lows tonight in the single numbers inland, and then tomorrow we're looking at lower 20s and some isolated mid-20s. Cooler for Sunday, but with that wind, it'll feel colder than the lower 20s. We're expecting sunshine on Monday. Tuesday, we could have some high temperatures in the 40s inland. And then on Wednesday, small chance of some rain and snow mixture with a few spotty snow showers on Thursday.
Still ahead, the latest on mortgage rates across the country and how it's impacting you if you're looking for